So this is the Belgard modular block system. What we did is we laid a full foundation block and we have that all leveled. It's really easy to stack this block on top of. And this is actually our first time using it. So what we did, we just snapped a string line. You can kind of see it here, this yellow, where we want the front face to go. And we're just slowly working our way. We started in this corner here. But it's a pretty simple product to use. There's 3 different lengths. A small, I think this is the small face with the backing block. There's a large, and then this is a medium. And you basically are just alternating those faces and then getting this back block to line up where you want it to go. I'll show you this corner. This is an inside corner, pretty easy. So this tab here slides into the face, and then you just are going to do your offset. So then on your next course, you'd obviously, this face would come and extend over to this face, right? And then this is how you connect it. You actually use one more of the back block, that L shape. And then there are these plastic pins that you can just put in here. Here's one of the pins. Pretty straightforward. And what you can do is just slide it in and pop it in there. And that is going to stick in place. And that's actually what you use as well when you're fixing your courses in the back, and we can take a video of that as well. But yeah, basically you just follow your pattern, follow your face. There's 2 different colors that we got with this. So we're just kind of alternating, and we're going to build this wall up. It's going to be about 3 feet and 80 feet high. 80 feet long, 3 feet high. I know there's not a ton of info. This is a newer block system. So just wanted to actually put a visual for you guys on what this can look like and putting it together on a job site. So yeah, it just slides in there. So that backer block goes on. So it's nice. It just, you follow it down. You can flip them. You just get them in to line up with the tabs. And obviously, you'd core fill all of this to get it solid. Yeah, it's a little better visual on this stuff and how it all fits together. Hope that helps you guys. We'll do this corner in a little bit. So we had to cut 2 of these. Show you guys how to cut these. So you just put them just like that. There's a tab here that is your cut tab. And go ahead, Phil. You just give it a whack. It cuts off real nice.
Easy as that.
So, show you this corner. We had to cut this to make it work. This is what you can do with these block. So see how that slides in. You wanna flush here, always connecting blocks. And flush there. And what we'll do is we'll pin in here because that's kind of the off one. And then when you start your next course, okay, if you want to do that, there we go. Bam.
Connect.
Yeah. So if you're pinning here, the next one on this course, you want to use the actual concrete. So there is your outside corner with 2 cuts to make it fit. So we got our second course getting laid down right now. I talked a little bit about these seams here and then overlapping them. So when you're laying your next course, that's going to be the main thing you want to do. So it's pretty straightforward. You can see here, here's your seam. And then you just want to make sure you get a block that overlaps that seam. And then if you aren't able to with the face that you have, just get either a bigger one or a smaller one and overlap it. So pretty straightforward. Here's the corner. We overlap this corner as well. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward to put together, and we're liking it so far.